Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna, I got to change the battery in my truck. It's 5 years old, and it's been dragging a lot, and it finally went out. Or out enough that it won't start the truck. So today, if you're interested in changing the battery in your 2011 F-150, hang around. I know it's rocket science, but hang around. Now I realize that you can go to AutoZone or any of them. They'll probably change it for you, but what I would like to do is I'm going to go to just a battery store, and I think they sell blems or blemish batteries, and you can get them a little bit cheaper. So it's a cost savings, plus it's really not that hard to change out. So let me show you how to do it, and we'll go from there. To get the cables off the post, you just loosen that up and it'll release the tension on this, so you can take it right off. There's one on each side. I don't know what size those are, but they're pretty small, metric. And then to hold down the battery, they have one bolt right there. You just loosen that and the clamp should come off, and then you can just lift the battery out. So let's get to it. All right, it's an 8mm. I'll just use a socket here. As you can see, it's very simple to get them loose. And take the ground off. Bam! There, it's off. And then the positive cable is being difficult, even though it's loose. I'm gonna have to use two hands. Let me put you down. All right, I got you off there, and then we'll just take this tie down off. And it's off. And it's loose. And I'm going to take the battery out. So I got to definitely use two hands for this. So I'm going to put you down, but everything's loose, unconnected, and that's all it takes to get it out. So there you go. It's out now. There's a little lip on the back side that it locks under. So when you go to take it out, slide it towards you. And this comes all the way out. So yeah, you can see that. And then there's the old battery, the Motorcraft battery. So next stop, the store. Well, I went and got me a brand spanking new battery. Got it at a local place. It's not a blem, but it is off-brand. They said it's made at the same plant that makes Interstate batteries, and they just have a different case and different stickers, but it's got a 3-year free replacement. So, and then it prorated after that to 5 years. So that's what I'm going to put in. I'm going to put it in oriented the right correct way. Take the block, the clamp out, and putting it in. If I can get the cables out of the way. There you go. So that's how you put it back in. Now I'm going to get a close-up shot. So pretty simple to put it in. All right, so we have it in place. Gonna put the clamp back in, which simply goes down here. There you go. You see, it just fits into place, and then you just tighten it back up with your ratchet. And I think it clamps it down in and wedges that back clamp under the lip that's on the back of the battery and in the battery box. All right. And then on each of the terminals, they have a little protective covering. So you pull it and you take it off. Same thing with the positive battery cable. You peel it and you take it off. If I can get it off. There we go. There we go. So there you go. You have it off. And then you put the cables, terminals back on the posts. And there you have it. Now I just got to tighten it all down good. But that's how you change a battery. So, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this, please put them in the comments below. You know, if there's anything specific you want me to do maintenance wise, just let me know. I do these as they come up and as I need to do them. So I really appreciate everybody that's watching. I got over 200 subscribers. I never never dreamed that I'd get that many. So thank you everybody that's subscribed. And you know, thanks for watching. And if this helps anybody, I appreciate it. So have a good day.